Across Mediterranean regions, water scarcity is becoming an increasing challenge for rural landscapes and communities. Long periods of drought and rising temperatures are putting pressure on traditional agricultural areas, while communities and farmers struggle to secure water for their daily needs. But what if traditional water systems still hold the answers we need today? WatHer project restores traditional water heritage systems as sustainable solutions to drought and water scarcity. The project maps and documents canals, ponds, watermills, and historic irrigation systems because preserving this knowledge can help communities better manage water today. Through field research, GIS technologies, and environmental monitoring, partners study how these systems support water storage, ecosystems, and climate resilience. Working together with local communities, farmers, and experts, WatHer project restores pilot sites across Mediterranean regions and promotes sustainable water management practices for the future. Through our joint action, forgotten water heritage is becoming a shared resource for climate adaptation across the Mediterranean. By combining traditional knowledge with modern tools, WatHer helps Mediterranean communities build more resilient landscapes for future generations. The WatHer project is co-funded by the European Union within the framework of the Interreg Euromed program.